Hi guys, it's Ibuana Twin Mom. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I wanted to make an eggplant salad. So please stay tuned as I am going to show you how to make an eggplant salad. And I promise this salad is really good. So please stay tuned and let's get started with our eggplant salad. So first, we have to cook the eggplant. So now I'm going to set the air fryer to 370 degrees to cook our eggplant. It's your choice. Where do you want to cook the eggplant? You can cook them in the grill. You can just boil it if you want, or you can even also cook it in the oven. Like put it for 350 degrees for about maybe half an hour, and it would still work the same way, just like I put it in the air fryer. Alright, it looks like our eggplant is done. So we're gonna take them out. There you go. So there's the eggplant. Okay, we're going to cool down these eggplants, and then after we can start peeling them. So guys, just to let you know that I doubled the amount of the eggplant that I cooked in the air fryer, because I do have a lot of people that are going to eat this eggplant. So yeah, so I don't know, it's up to you if you wanna just cook half of the amount of what I showed here, or you can do the same amount. It's up to you guys, but it's not gonna hurt if you cook more, because you know it's not gonna go bad. You can just put it in the fridge and then you can still enjoy it the next day. So you have to make sure that you cook the eggplant right, because if you don't cook it right, then the peel is hard to come off. But you see how nice it comes off, really nice and easy. It peels off nice and easy because I cooked it on the proper temperature and I didn't overcook it, and it's cooked properly. So see guys, so just like that. So we'll continue peeling these eggplants and then we'll go forward after this. You know, there are so many ways to enjoy eggplant. You know, you can stir fry eggplants, you can bake the eggplants, you can make a lasagna with eggplant. It really is just up to you of how do you like it. But you know, for a change, I do want to have it just in a simple way, in an easy way, and yet it's still healthy for us, right? Like I remember back in the Philippines, we usually stir fry this. Lots of oil, lots of soy sauce, but you know, minimizing the soy sauce intake is great. Like it's not really good to take a lot of soy sauce. So that's why this way, at least this way, you know, you still enjoy this eggplant, but yet you still have it in a healthy way. We'll continue peeling this eggplant, and let's proceed by putting our vinegar and the rest of the ingredients that goes to this. Alright, we're done peeling our eggplant. So now let's cut up, or let's slice this eggplant into a bite-sized pieces. So I just cut the top like that, like this. Or you can just do this with your finger too. Like, I mean, you know, you cut this, you cut the eggplants into 3 portions, and then after you can just go like this. You see how it goes nice and easy? Like that. But you know, I want to do it faster, so I'm just gonna do it with a knife like this, like that. Let's put it in a bowl. There. Okay, so now it's done. So let's put our vinegar and the rest of our ingredients. So I'm going to slice these tomatoes, and we're going to put these tomatoes together with our eggplant. So I do have a couple kinds of tomatoes that I'm going to put here. So this one here is the Roma tomatoes. Alright, there's our tomatoes. More tomatoes. There you go. And now let's put some green onions. I will write down in the description box of how much onions and how much seasoning I put in this eggplant salad. Okay, and we have here half a teaspoon of fresh minced garlic. I do love garlic in eggplants because it gives us that nice flavor, you know. And we have here half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, and this one here is 3 tablespoons of vinegar. You can use a spiced vinegar if you like it spicy, or you can just use a regular vinegar. So to balance the sourness of the vinegar, we have to put a little bit of sugar. So this is a teaspoon of white sugar. So now all we have to do is we just have to toss everything like this. Toss that nice seasoning, the salt, the black ground pepper, and the vinegar. So if you feel like you wanted it to give it a little bit of more sourness, then you can just add maybe a tablespoon more of vinegar. But for me, 3 tablespoons is good enough. But it's up to you. If you feel like it's not sour enough, then feel free to add more vinegar to this. There is one more thing that you can add, or we can add to our eggplant salad. It is an optional thing. You don't have to put it, but I do prefer to have that nice salt taste and that nice flavor of the anchovy sauce. So you see guys, this is an anchovy sauce. You don't have to put a lot. Like, I'll show you. All I'm gonna do is just to put like half a teaspoon of the anchovy sauce. So you see, that's just half a teaspoon. It just gives that really nice flavor. Yeah, so like I said, you don't have to have it if you prefer not to have the anchovy sauce, or if you don't like anchovy sauce, because I know a lot of people, not all people like anchovy sauce. So if you don't like it, then it's not gonna hurt. You don't have to put it, but it's an optional thing. So we're going to toss again this one because we put in the anchovy sauce, because I did put in the anchovy sauce in it. So I want to mix it all nice. There you go. So yeah, I got here my cherry tomatoes that I got from the garden. I love cherry tomatoes. Not only it gives us that nice presentation of our food, but also it's just so nice to kind of, you know, put it in your mouth and just to kind of like bite it. The nice juicy cherry tomatoes, oh, so good. So after that, we can add a little bit more of onions to kind of give us a little bit of color, and also to kind of look nice, right? It gives us that nice presentation. And when the food is presented nicely, it kind of want to make you eat more. So we are finished with our eggplant salad, and there it is. See how nice it is? Oh wow, look at this. Look at that nice eggplant salad, guys. It looks so delicious, and it looks so fresh, so colorful, and it is healthy because, you know, you're not putting any oil into this. Although there is quite a salt, but you know, like I said, it's an optional thing. You can minimize your salt. You don't have to put the anchovy sauce. There's a lot of things that you can minimize to make it more healthier for you. So yeah, this is it guys right here, and this one goes so well with anything. It goes so well with meats or with fish. Oh, especially fish. I love eggplant salad. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed our video for today. So if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe so that you'll get to see more videos from me every time that I put a new upload. Please like the video, leave a comment, and you can share this video to your family, to your friends, and to anyone. And please don't forget to click the all bell notification so that you'll get notified every time when I put a new upload. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're having a great day. Bye for now.